Stocks are experiencing a tariff tantrum, and it's almost irrelevant for me to tell you where the indexes are right now, but I'm going to anyway, knowing that by day's end, they likely won't be anywhere near where I'm listing out now. But the Dow is currently down 3.69%. The S&P is currently down 4%. The Nasdaq is currently down 4.41%. And the Russell is currently down 5.63%. The tariff announcement yesterday was a mix of different levels of tariffs on foreign imports that would take too much time to list in this forum, but clearly the market took these tariffs as worse than expected. There are other things happening today. For example, yields are down double digits across the curve, except for the 30-year, which is only down 9 basis points. The dollar is down over 2% in the aggregate, with the biggest losses really spread across all the other major currencies. And gold is dropping, but it's coming off its lows as I speak to you right now. At its worst, early this morning, gold was down 2.9%, but as I speak to you right now, it's only down 0.8%. Many speculators will sell winners, which gold is, in order to cover margin calls on losing trades. So the gold sell-off might last, but it also might not, considering the rest of the markets are showing strong flight to safety behavior. Other interesting commodity news: OPEC agreed to raise combined crude oil output by 411,000 barrels, speeding up the pace of their scheduled production hikes and pushing WTI crude prices down by over 7%. Tomorrow we get U.S. Nonfarm Payrolls data, and it's expected to show an unchanged unemployment rate, 4.1%, and the addition of 137,000 jobs. Looking ahead with earnings, it's the calm before the storm as earnings season begins next week. When you look at today's after-hours earnings and tomorrow's pre-market earnings report list, we only have one company with a market cap of over $1 billion reporting, and it's an Irish packing and container company called Smurfit Westrock. Data tonight, we get Japanese household spending. Tomorrow, payrolls data in the U.S. as I already mentioned, along with speeches by Fed Governor Christopher Waller, Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michael Barr, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell, which becomes more exciting than it already was for the markets, given the depth of today's risk sell-off.